Good morning, guys. So it's bright and early. Today's a school day, so I've just got the boys up and they are starting on their breakfast. What are you eating, Alex?
I'm eating a banana muffin and some ice yogurt.
Ice cream, yogurt. Cool. Is it good?
Yeah. Yes.
Enjoying it? You guys excited to go to school?
Yeah.
Alex, are you excited to go to school?
Yes.
Good. Okay, let's eat.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
You excited to go back to school?
Yes.
Monday, school day.
Yes.
So we're on our way to pick up Aiden's running shoes from his mom's place because it's going up to 11 today, which is about 58, I guess. Yeah, so he hasn't really worn them lately. He's been wearing his boots a lot because it's been a lot of rain. And today's gonna be nice and sunny, so we're gonna pick those up. But the rest of the week looks like it's gonna rain all week, so back in boots tomorrow. But yeah, so we're gonna pick those up and we're gonna go to his school and drop him off and then go home and see what Michelle's doing. There he is. Where's your bag, Mr. Man? There it is. Jump out. There you go. So it looks like you got a lot of snow in the schoolyard, eh? Just stay away from the ice in the water, okay? Okay, give me a hug. Love you so much. We'll see you tonight. Have a great day. Love you. It's always hard dropping him off, you know. Remember, first day of kindergarten, it was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. But, I guess it gets a little bit easier. So, I think I'm gonna stop and grab a coffee on the way home because I'm a little thirsty and I haven't had one yet this morning. So, I'm gonna stop by Tim Hortons, grab a coffee and see what's what.
So I'm just on my way to pick up Alex at school. Taking a little walk. School is only about like, I don't know, 150 feet away from our front door, so. How was school, Alex?
Good.
Yeah? You had a good day?
Yeah.
Learn anything new?
Yep.
What'd you learn?
I learned about the animals and
Did you do reading?
yeah, I did a little reading and I got some homework to do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sit down and do that. You can have a snack.
Yeah, but first I'm gonna play outside.
You're gonna play outside first.
Yeah.
Aiden's gonna be home soon.
Okay.
And then you guys can play outside.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move my car so that you guys can play hockey or something. Alright, come bring your stuff inside.
Thumbs up! Touchdown! Yeah!
So we're just waiting for Aiden to get home from school. Should be home within a half an hour. Alex is just playing football. It's got a little bit of snow left, but it's quite warm out. Are you playing hockey or are you playing football, Alex?
Football.
Football. Crazy.
Go! And touchdown! Yeah!
You're working on cleaning up your Lego table, Alex?
Yep.
So we've taken all of these pieces off, and those are parts that are not Lego City as I showed you guys earlier, and then Alex came home and decided to set it up his own way. So he's trying to make a little city out of it. At one point we will get you a bigger table, Alex.
Okay. And jumps?
Yeah, at one point you're gonna need water and roads. Now that you have all these pieces to work on.
And this was for this. Oh man, Mom, you found the piece?
Yeah, what does it go for?
This, right here.
Oh, see, I kind of just...
You don't need this piece though.
No, I just kind of cleaned up. I wasn't sure what you wanted to do with all your pieces.
So this would, that was there. Wait.
Yeah, so as you can see, when the boys were little, we had their little, their little Lego tables set up here in the kitchen so that we can kind of monitor what they were doing so that they wouldn't break anything.
Whoa!
And that we can keep an eye on them in the family area. So at one point when the baby comes, maybe a little bit after, we're gonna get them set up in their toy room or in the rec room downstairs with their Lego. Now that they're older, they can play without being supervised. So we'll probably do that, right, Alex?
Yeah.
Now he's found a big tub of Lego. Those are all the pieces that Mommy found that need to be put together.
Yeah.
All right.
Where are we going?
Dairy Queen.
For what?
For some blizzards. A medium blizzard cookie. What is it? Do we have to go on the boat? What was it, Brad?
The boat. We're not going on the boat.
I think you like Reese's, Alex.
Yeah, Reese's.
Holy moly.
Wait, no. Yeah, are we going on the airplane? No.
Okay, we're going to Dairy Queen.
Are we going on an airplane? Hey Aiden, let's go for some ice cream. Dairy Queen. Are we going on the boat? You silly guy. Yeah, we decided that the kids were great today. They had an awesome day at school, and we just had some pizza for dinner. And now we're gonna go for some Dairy Queen.
Kind of like a lazy evening.
It's a lazy evening. I think.
It's gonna be raining for the next few days, so.
Yeah. I think the baby wanted some ice cream.
I think some more than the kids.
Where are we?
Dairy Queen.
We are at Dairy Queen. We made it. Aiden, you know what you're having?
No.
No?
We're gonna feed this baby sugar craving.
I'm gonna have,
Mind you, I don't have that much sugar. For someone who likes sugar, I don't have that much.
You don't?
No. Pretty
Brian,
good.
you didn't ask me what I wanted.
What do you want, Alex?
Alex, I have Reese's Extreme this time.
Really?
Okay, Ryan, start naming.
Extreme?
Okay, just give me a second.
Blizzard?
Dairy Queen.
But how big is it?
Hi, can you give me just a moment, please? Thank you. Alex is gonna have a medium
We need a
Reese's
moment here.
Extreme.
Hey, how big are they?
It's the same size as the last time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a small cookie dough. Aiden, there's Oreo, there's Turtles, there's Reese's Pieces, M&M's, Rolo, Kit Kat, cookie dough, strawberry cheesecake. You guys want to work at Dairy Queen?
Yeah.
Look, there's a sign, they're hiring. This is part-time positions. You guys can work after school.
Really?
Well, I'm not sure you guys are old enough to work after school, but
You can come make ice creams every day.
Yeah.
Milkshakes.
I want to get paid.
you want to get paid.
They can pay you in milkshakes and ice creams.
Really?
They'll just give you that all day long.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, kids are actually really lucky when they can do that.
Yeah, well, maybe when you're a teenager.
When you
Or
go to
a
high
young-
school
young
or something
teenager, high
after
school,
school,
yeah.
you could come and work at Dairy Queen.
Probably when I'm in 6th grade.
I thought you wanted to build boats.
Yeah, that'll be after.
No, I'm okay, thank you.
Like Zachary, he got a little job like selling papers.
2 small cookie dough and then the Reese's Extreme.
Perfect.
Thanks so much.
More
What's that?
Napkins?
No, I think we're
I'm
alright.
good, thanks.
Thanks a lot.
Alex,
Thanks. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna drop it.
Thank you.
Aiden,
Hey.
thank you.
Thank you.
Tastes yummy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right.
What's that, cookie dough?
Yes, dear.
Looks delicious.
Doesn't it? All right.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. But that actually did hurt my head.
Oh. In the snow. This is the last snow we're gonna see till next year. It's all gone. It's all rain this rest of the week.
It's gonna be all gone.
Yeah, it's all gone.
Even that whole mountain.
Here, wait.
Okay.
That was a good throw.
Thanks. Hope you love that, bro. Harder than you. Go on, lady. He's right there. Far. Okay. See if I can get this. Almost, he got it.
Come on, Eden, you can do it. Oh, it's close.
Oh, God, it's almost in.
Well, guys, we're back at home here, just about to lay down, relax. The kids are in bed. They had a great time at the park, burnt all that energy they had from the blizzards. Great day. So thanks for joining us. Thanks for coming along. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video, and we'll see you tomorrow.